Hi, today we talk about how to verify email on Epic Games. So for this purpose, first you need to open Google, then go to search bar and search for Epic Games. Once you search for it, then you are here on this page. Here click on Epic Games. If you have already logged in, then you are here on your account. Once you are here on your account, then what you need to do, at the top right corner you have your username, click on it. Once you click on your username, then this will pop up on your screen. Here you have too many options, just click on account option. Once you click on account option, then your account settings page will appear on your screen. Here in account information, you have the box for email address. At the front of this, you have this blue box, click on it. Once you click on it, then this will pop up on your screen. Here what you need to do, enter your email address. Once you enter email address, then click on continue button. Once you click on continue button, you get code on this email which you have entered. Just enter that code which you get on this mail. So this is the easiest way to verify email on Epic Games. Thanks for watching.